Hi, today I'm gonna give a very necessary application to edit any PDF file easily, and I will also show you step by step the installation process. At first you have to download the application. I have shared the download link in this video description, and it's Pro version. But to make it as like Pro version, you have to follow the installation process carefully. Okay, so let's start. At first you have to extract the downloaded application with WinRAR. During extract it will ask for a password, which is 1 to 3. Now open the README file, where the installation process has been written step by step. So we have to follow these steps for installation. Before install, please make sure that all hidden files and folder is shown. Now install the application main.exe file. After installation it will open. And as you can see, it's now trial version. So this Buy Now option is in the top right corner. So close it and follow the next steps to make it full version. Now go inside Crack folder and run this host block file as administrator. Okay, now the final step. Go to license folder and copy this 3 file in C drive. Go to C drive. Then go to user. Now go to administrator user account. Then go to app data. As you can see, this folder is hidden. Then click on roaming. Click on Wondershare. Click on PDF element. Then go to config. Go to WSID. Now copy all these 3 files to this folder. Okay, now it's ready to use as like a full version. Let's check this with file compress, and it's working or not. So as you can see, it's working like full version. And there is no watermark or Buy Now option. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.